So we've got our chicken cooking in the pot, and while that's working, we have time to work on some of our garnishes. And our first garnish that we're going to work on is pico de gallo. And we're going to start that by using tomatoes and small dicing some tomatoes. Now these are vine-ripened tomatoes, and you can see they're rather large, and they're really actually in season right now. So we've got really good sized tomatoes going on right now. So we're going to use those, but for pico de gallo, you really can use any tomato you would like. It works well with romas, or you can even make it with cherry tomatoes, cut them in half and use those. You can use all kinds of things. So with these tomatoes, we're just going to do a dice, and I'm going to slice up 2 tomatoes or so we get a good amount of pico. All right. Now I know some people like to remove the seeds and the juice of the tomatoes, but I actually like to leave them in. I know sometimes the seeds could get a little bit bitter, but usually when you add all the lime juice and everything else with it, it turns out really well, and the juice from the tomato actually helps kind of flavor the whole dish. Whenever I make this normally, I like to make extra of it, and I love it on my eggs in the morning, so we'll make extra and just eat it for a few days. It does hold well for a few days in the refrigerator, and actually this tomato is so big it really produced enough tomatoes for my pico. So we're just going to stick with the 1 tomato and get that cut and set aside.